Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last video, we talked about the product section of view the products. In this video, I'm going to teach about the update and delete the products details. So let me talk about the update and delete details. So what you're going to do is here, go to the product controller. Here I'm going to implement the method which is a update. So go to the category controller, the update method put mapping. I just copy and paste it over here. Update this one, you have to change this one as a here we have to create a product. Also we didn't change this one, product, same thing, get all products, update product, right? Request body, you have to change this one as a product update, product update, DTO. So here also you take it as product update DTO. Record is coming via the DTO format. It goes to the product service, right? This method you have to create at our service. So we have to go to the service IMPL. So we have to create the method, right? Okay. You have to understand the flow, right? Now what you're going to say, I'm going to update the record. So how to update the record? So we have to already did it. So what you're going to do is here, you have to take this all the add products part, paste over here. This all thing we have to do some couple of changes over here. So we have to so how to update the record. So let's category service. So where's the update, right? First we have to check it. So this is the update part, we have to check it, right? So we have to check it, so we have to paste and check it first. So after that I am putting this one first, category repo. So we have to write this one as a our this one, what's the repo? Product repo, product repo. First you have to check when you edit the record, it first you have to check whether the IDs exist or not, the particular product. The IDs exist, it will be check it the update, right? So you have to get the ID. So here this one update DTO, we have to pass it over here. This one, right? Get the ID and first check it. If the first you have to check it whether IDs exist or not. So you have to get this one here. The IDs exist. Product report through this. The product report through it will be check the ID. So what the right? So here this one should be our product. So create the product detail, right? It will check the ID. If the IDs exist, it will be here. It will be do the part, right? So what you're going to do is here we have to write it over this one. We have to pass the product name. These all things we have to pass it over here. This one we have to pass it over here to make the set method. Like this one's a get set. Okay, so here we have to write the product dot set uh, set product name. First you have to set the product name, right? Set product name. So you have to write this one, product update dot get product name. Second one, which is a set category product update dot get ID. Get ID, you have to get it like here. It's not like this way. So we have write it over like this way. So here you write it, get it here, category repo. So you write it like this way. So we have write this product. Sorry, category repo, which is a product update. You would get it like this. You have to find the product ID. through the category repo, right? So get ID, product update, category ID. So the same thing, we have to get it over here as well. Category get brand, product dot set brand, category ID set brand ID, set brand repo. Okay, this one should be not get ID. This is a get brand. Get brand ID. What's the CTO? So it's a brand brand, right? Perfect, right? So after that we have to write this third one, which is a product uh, set product active. Another one is a thing is a price. We need a price, product price dot set price. So DTO dot get price. That's it. So that here this product you have to pass it over here. Yeah, this one is a product repo. That's the thing you have to write. What that you have to write? Product ID not exist. That's the thing you have to write. Okay, perfect. Right? Right? This is how we have update the record. Right? We can't the product category this thing we can't directly update. We have to get this one as well. Category repo, we have to find the ID, respective ID. You have to write like this and you have to get them. So let's run the project and check it. There's no error. Now let's check it. So put mapping. Yeah, try this, copy this. So put mapping, put this one product update body row. Here we have right product of ID, which ID we have to get update, right? So we have to product one. So you have to write product ID is product ID one. First you have to check it to get products all the details. This one product ID one, right? So I just going to check this one changes. So this is product ID, right? So you have to Samsung, you have to change something else. Price I'm going to change as 2037. Right. Now let's check it. This put matter it's working fine or not. So why this error have the product update? Sorry. Here, so not like this. Write this like this. Right here it's updated fine. Right here I have mistakenly typed one slash here. Now let's open up. It's working here. It's updated here. It's working. Now let's check it over here. Let's doing again. Samsung The message is coming why it's not updated. So let's check it here. The product ID not exists, display the error. So here the problem is here. So here this is not a cat ID. This, yeah, we have write is a product update dot get product ID. That's why the error. This one also the get, this one also get. Right? That's a problem. Now let's try out this the ID product ID one. So let's try out product ID one. Product ID one. So you have to make this one as a product ID one. What is the Samsung? This one you have changed as 10004. Right, this price was changed as this. Click on this. Price updated. Now let's check it back. It's working here. It's working perfectly well. Right, it's working perfectly well. No problem. Here it's updated successfully. Right. Now what you're going to do is working perfectly well. Now let's go to the delete section. Let's go to the delete section. Right. Product IMPL delete section. Let's see. Look at the delete section of the product. It's very simple. That also we have to go to the product controller, category controller. The same thing, you just copy the field mapping, paste it over here. Here also delete ID. This one should be the delete product. Here also I made one mistake. This is delete product, update product. If you make the changes, these changes you have to apply to over here as well, IMPL service as well, and IMPL as well. Right, perfect. Now let's back to a delete part. So delete product, get the ID and delete the product, delete product, product service, product service, delete product. But the ID is coming here, get the ID, it's sending to the delete product method, action method. We have to create the method on the service. So here we have to implementation you have done over here as well. Product implementation you have done it here as well. Click on this to make the implementation method. Get the implement method. So how to delete the record here as well. This whole thing you just copied, paste over here. Get the product repo. Get the ID, exist the ID. Hit it. Okay, so get the ID. What's the IDs you are placing here? It's coming here. It's sending the repo and delete the entire record. Right? Product ID not found. If the ID is not exist, it is found as we need to display the message as product ID is not found. Right? Simple stuff you have to do. Okay, right. So now what you're going to do is let's execute the program and check it. There's no error. Now here this the same thing, just copy it, paste over here. Here we have to make the method which is a delete mapping. It's a delete. First ID we are going to, I'm going to delete product one. I'm going to delete the product one. So here where's my product controller? This is the ID. Right, first ID I'm going to delete the record. Right, so delete API this. Okay, so here the product one, I'm going to delete them. So let's execute them. Deleted. Now let's check it, the get all mapping. So let's, here product one is deleted successfully. Right, now the all the product part I have completed. In next video we will be talk about the sales part of the project. Thank you for watching.